In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create newsletter polls with Beehiiv, step by step, so you can make your emails more interactive and get instant feedback from your subscribers. Polls are a great way to increase engagement, learn what your audience wants, and make your newsletter feel more like a conversation instead of just another email. If you're building a newsletter and want a simple way to add a poll, this guide will walk you through the full process. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can either click Start Writing if you're creating a brand new newsletter, or open an existing draft if you already have one in progress. This is where you will build the email that your subscribers will receive. Next, decide exactly where you want the poll to appear inside your newsletter. Click into the body of the email and place your cursor in the spot where you'd like the poll to go. This is important because the poll will be inserted exactly where your cursor is placed, so take a moment to choose the best location for engagement. Usually, placing it after your main content or near the end of the newsletter works really well. Now type /poll or poll and press enter. Beehiiv will recognize this command and open the poll block options. This is the fastest way to add a poll without manually building anything from scratch. Once the poll editor appears, start by entering your poll question. Keep it clear and simple so your readers know exactly what you're asking. After that, add your answer choices. You can include options like option 1, option 2, or more specific responses depending on your topic. For example, if you're asking readers what content they want next, your choices might be something like tutorials, tips, or case studies. Make sure your options are easy to understand and directly related to the question. Once your question and choices are entered, click Create Poll or Insert Poll, depending on what Beehiiv shows in your version. This will place the poll into your newsletter draft. Take a second to review the layout and make sure it looks clean and professional. A well-formatted poll is much more likely to get responses. Before sending it to your subscribers, always preview the newsletter. This lets you confirm that the poll displays correctly on both desktop and mobile. Check that the question is readable, the choices are aligned properly, and nothing looks broken or cut off. Previewing is a small step, but it can save you from sending out a newsletter with formatting issues. After that, send a test email to yourself. This is one of the most important steps because it shows you exactly what your audience will see in their inbox. Open the test email, click through the poll, and make sure everything behaves the way you expect. If something looks off, you can always go back and adjust it before the real send. When everything looks good, you're ready to schedule your newsletter or send it immediately. If you're trying to reach your audience at the best time, scheduling can be a smart move. If the newsletter is ready now, you can send it right away. Either way, your poll is now live and ready to help you collect valuable audience feedback. And that's it. You've just learned how to create newsletter polls with Beehiiv in a few simple steps. This is a great feature if you want to boost engagement, understand your readers better, and make your newsletter more interactive. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Beehiiv tutorials, and leave a comment if you'd like to see more newsletter tips in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.